For part 2 of this video, this is how to turn the pilot light on if the pilot light is now glowing blue. So what you're going to do is take this button, which is on, and push it in and turn it to the right until it's set to pilot. Once that's set to pilot, then you're going to hit this ignition switch at the same time as holding that down. Like that. It's going to make a clicking noise that's kind of loud. You'll probably have to do it a few times. Holding the pilot light down while clicking the ignition switch is going to be the thing that will eventually make that little blue light of the pilot light catch. Because this button here that you're pushing in is heating up the mechanism that will make this little ignition spark actually catch flame into a fire. So once that happens and you see this little blue flame show up, then you're going to keep holding this down for a second until you're sure that that's warmed up enough that it will hold. And then you're going to eventually release this button. When you release this button, the little blue flame should still stay there. If it does, you're going to push it in and turn it back to on, away from pilot and back to the on setting. Like this. So this little arrow on the right hand side should go back to on. In order to push that, you have to push it in and turn it at the same time. This is the little blue pilot light that you should see come on. But that little red coil there has to heat up when you hit that ignition switch. So that's why you have to hold this pilot light. You have to push in this thing that says pilot and hold it down while clicking this other button that says ignition several times. It can take a minute or two to get it going. And then once that little blue light of the pilot shows up, keep holding this down in the pilot position until when you release it, it's warm enough that it stays on. And then you're gonna switch this back from pilot to the on position like this. This is a little bit complicated, so definitely feel free to just call us and we can come over and do it for you.